Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to center text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To center text in Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to follow these simple steps, all right? So, once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the text button right here. We're going to adjust the layout so we can click on text and type in your text here. All right, so I'm going to add the text. Copy this and type it here, but the thing is the color is white, so go to the effects panel right here. The text should be has a different color, maybe dark blue in it. Okay, so we have that covered. Now we just have to make it a little bit smaller. Now, for us to make this text center, all we have to do is go to the Essential Graphics. How you can find it, go to the window, click the Essential Graphics. It would forward a new dialog box on the right side corner of your screen. Click the Edit. That would give you the options for your text, all right? Now, you see there are two small icons here that says Vertical Center and the horizontal center. So basically what will happen, it would give you an option to center it vertically and horizontally. Now, the usual that I use is the horizontal. You see that? It's in the middle of your canvas. If you click the vertical center, it's kind of like you can't find it until you click the white color, depending on your preferences. You can add a stroke here if you want, and increase the stroke if you wanted. Or basically just click the horizontal text center here. There you go. Now, by doing this, it kind of provides a sense of symmetry and harmony within the frame, right? If you click on play, you would notice that placing the text in the center can draw the viewer's attention directly to the message, making it more prominent and easier to read, right? It makes the composition feel more balanced. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.